Stop by and take a look at the 2018 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, sport package, HD radio, trip computer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.